Alright guys, I want to show you the new exhaust here by Zoom. Sounds fantastic. Easy install. Plenty of room to change the oil. See how the bracket goes in the back? Very easy. Good sound too. Let me rev it up for you. Definitely got a great meaty sound. I'm going to replace the AR exhaust with these. Much better quality. Got a good deep sound. But anyway guys, I'm going to start having these in stock soon. Just testing it out to see how I like it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.